You know, on a nice sunny day like this, it's really great just to sit outside and sip a root beer, huh, Grover?
Oh, yeah. I love root beer.
So do I. It's one of my favorite things.
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Snuffleupagus.
Oh, hi,
Mr.
Big Bird.
Snuffleupagus.
Hi, Big Bird.
Oh, hi. Hi,
Oh,
Grover.
Hi, Big
Bob.
Bird.
How are you?
Hey, you
What-
haven't
what-
seen my friend Mr. Snuffleupagus, have you?
What
No,
is
no.
He
this?
said he'd be here, and I was wondering if you
Ahem,
could hear
excuse
him.
me. What is a snuffleupagus?
No, it's upagus.
Aw, come on, Big Bird.
Snuffleupagus.
Big Bird, don't start this again. Don't start filling Grover full of those wild stories about your big friend, you know. It's all in your imagination, Big
Wild
Bird.
stories about big friend. What is that? What are you talking about?
Oh, no, Bob. These are not wild stories. It's true.
No, it's Big
You
Bird.
see-
it's-
Bob.
Huh?
Oh, I'm sorry.
This
Big
is not my imagination. He's a big friend, Grover.
Yes.
And he's a nice friend, and he
Yes.
has a long nose like an elephant, and all covered with brown shaggy hair. And he's got big eyes.
Come on,
and
Big
four
Bird.
big feet, and a long tail about 10 feet long.
A long tail about 10 feet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bob, Big Bird, he really, you know, if we see him around, well,
Yeah,
we'll
we'll
let
run.
you know, okay?
Okay.
We'll give him a
All
message.
right. Well, tell him I'll be back.
Tell him to be back.
Yeah.
Right,
Okay.
Big Bird. Okay,
Okay,
we'll
Big
tell him.
Bird. Don't worry.
Right, well, we'll tell him, Big Bird.
We won't miss
Easy,
him.
Big Bird, watch it. Can you imagine that? He keeps telling us about this great, big, huge friend of his with a
friend?
yeah, with
Yeah.
a big, long
Long
nose.
nose?
Yeah,
He's got some imagination.
bigger than himself. I
Yeah.
think. Hey,
Boy.
Grover, listen. We forgot all about drinking our root beer.
Oh, okay.
Let's have a
And I
little.
love root beer.
So do I.
Okay.
Let's have some. Hey, Grover, hold it, Grover. Wait a minute. Hey, wait a minute. Don't drink so fast, Grover. Grover.
What is it, Bob? I'm drinking my root beer.
Yeah, I know, but don't drink it so fast.
Why not?
It's not good for you. You might get sick or, get the hiccups or something.
Oh, that is silly. I love root beer.
I know, but don't... Grover, I'm telling you, you really shouldn't drink it that fast. You know, you just... Grover! Grover.
Excuse me. Now, what is this silly thing you were talking about? I might get the
Hiccups.
hiccups. I got them.
You got them.
Uh-oh.
I told you, Grover. That's why I said not to...
Why didn't you tell me?
I
Tell me
told
not to drink so fast.
Yeah, are you okay?
I don't know. This is not fun.
I know it isn't, Grover. That's
You
why
know,
I said...
how can I make them go away?
Well, I don't know. Maybe we could just...
Hold me down.
Okay.
I'm
Hold it.
going.
Are you okay?
Oh, I hope they leave.
Well, we'll just sit here for a while. Maybe
Hold
we'll
me
go-
down.
Okay.
I keep bouncing around.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that was an
Yeah.
underneath hiccup.
Okay. Hold on, Grover.
Sideways.
We'll just sit here, Grover. Maybe
Oh,
they'll
they're
go away.
strong.
Maybe they'll go away by themselves.
I hope so. I'm going to go away.
Okay.
Oh.
Come on. Oh.